Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to fill a sworn affidavit form. First, obtain the correct affidavit form, which can often be found online or at a courthouse. Carefully read through the entire document to understand its sections and requirements. An affidavit is a crucial legal document, a written statement confirmed under oath, used as evidence in various legal proceedings. Understanding its purpose is the first step to accurate completion. Next, fill in your personal details accurately, including your full legal name, current address, and contact information. The core of the affidavit is your statement of facts. Present these facts in clear, concise, numbered paragraphs. Remember to only include information you personally know to be true. If you have supporting documents, label them as exhibits, for example, Exhibit A, and reference them within your statement. This is a critical step, the oath or affirmation. You must declare that the information provided is true to the best of your knowledge. Do not sign the affidavit until you are physically present with a qualified witness, such as a notary public or commissioner of oaths. This witness will verify your identity, administer the oath, and then observe you signing the document. They will then sign and stamp the affidavit themselves, making it legally binding. Before submission, meticulously review your entire affidavit. Check for any spelling errors, missing information, or inconsistencies. Ensure all exhibits are correctly attached and referenced. Once you are certain everything is accurate, make at least 2 or 3 copies of the fully signed and witnessed document for your personal records. Finally, submit the original affidavit to the designated court or authority, adhering to any specific filing instructions they may have.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.